Hi, let's start 10-minute discussion of for our KS exam. So second topic are being discussed here. So it's primarily important for our mains exam, but you will get a number of topics that is not covered in our classes or in our test series, or sometimes it's a different version of the question are being covered. So current affairs question and very basic concepts are also discussed here. Let's start the topic. Today we will be discussing this question. The question is explain the importance of Myristica swamp in Western Ghats ecosystem. So what is the keyword of the question? Explain. So we need to explain what is being given in the question. So the question is importance of Myristica swamp in Western Ghats ecosystem. So you might have heard that Western Ghats ecosystem also consists of one very ingenious, very endemic kind of variety of plant species, that is Myristica swamp. Okay, so if you not have seen, this is what is Myristica swamp. Myristica swamp means it may look like, you may feel like it is suddenly it is look like a mangroves. Yes or no? Actually, this is not a mangroves. This is another kind of species, but you will see a number of features that is similar to mangrove forest here in Myristica swamp also. Okay, let's analyze the word. First word is Myristica. Second one is swamp. Yes, this is swampy region. This is swampy region. This is swampy region. So very marshy swampy region are here in Myristica swamp also. So you can see here water presence. Yes or no? The difference between mangrove and this Myristica swamp is, in the case of mangroves, we can see saline or half saline kind of water, but here it is fresh water. Myristica swamps are actually freshwater ecosystem, freshwater species of plants. You can see from a shoot, a number of roots came out, still to root, and that is holding this tree, that is holding this stem very strong. Okay, so like whatever features we have studied, the advantages of mangrove forest many comes here also. Let's analyze one by one. Myristica swamps are tropical freshwater swamp forest. So it is tropical in origin, freshwater it is swamp forest with an abundance of Myristica trees. In the case of Myristica forest, you can see most number of Myristica trees. The most primitive of the flowering plants on the earth. Okay, the evergreen water tolerant trees have a dense stilt root, helping them to stay erect in the thick black wet alluvial soil. So Myristica swamp, simply I can put in place like this. Myristica swamps are just a watershed. You must have heard a watershed. Watershed, you can equate it with the wetland also. Okay, even though that both are different in concept, there are similarities. When you take wetland or watershed, you know that is a place that store water. So whenever there is rainfall, the abundance of water is being stored in that place like a sponge. It acts slowly during the course of time. It slowly release the water as a stream. Yes or no? So that is what is watershed. Wetland means any place that is wet and holding water is, we are known as wetland, or our paddy field also we can take it as a wetland. Okay. But in the case of watershed, it is wetland. Of course, it is wetland. Plus, it allows, or from this watershed region, a number of streams originate from that region. Okay. Myristical swamps that seen in mainly in tropical forest region. What is the speciality of this? So like in a wetland, like in a watershed, it has a speciality. One is perennial flow of water is being ensured by this sponge kind of ecosystem. One. Second one is, you might have seen actually a number of roots there and here, the stilt root around. So it allows that trees to hold on that substratum, on that soil very strong, and whenever runoff water is there or abundance of water flow is there during a splash flood or sorry, not splash flood, flash flood, or very torrential rain, during that time that force of that runoff water will be slowed down by these roots. Okay, other than that, soil erosion will be stopped. Yes or no? Soil hold to that place, no, very perfectly, very strong. So soil erosion will be stopped by this Myristica swamp. and since it is holding water for a long time, it allows filtering of the water and recharging of the groundwater table. Okay. Other than that, like we have seen in the mangrove forest, in the case of mangrove forest, we know there is a special ecosystem. A number of species will be supported. Here, what about Myristica swamp? See, we know it is mainly seen in tropical forest. So, tropical forest, we know tropical region is comparatively hot region. So, hot region, the amount of water or concentration of water will be very less, or comparatively the species growth and its associated species growth, flora and fauna will be limited. But whenever is water is also provided, now extra growth is there. Or tropical forest, you can see a number of very endemic and thick vegetation and associated fauna whenever there is myristica swamp is there. Okay, so myristica swamps are permanent watershed. It is perennial source of water. It prevents soil erosion, landslide, this flash flood, drought situation and all. You know how drought prevented by it. So biodiversity, so spelling a small mistake is there, biodiversity. So biodiversity, thick biodiversity, you can see biodiversity means biodiversity, living organism diverse, you can see there. Afforestation, since water is being preserved there, so more tree growth will be there. Tribal life, so a number of species are associated with that is growing. So tribal people are getting a number of forest to product from this myristica swamp. Okay, so the swamp in Kerala and Karnataka, which provide Kerala, Karnataka regions. So mainly Myristica swamp we can see most in Western Ghats. So Kerala, Karnataka, Goa region we can see most. So swamp in Kerala, Karnataka provide habitats for rich diversity of invertebrates, vertebrate species, including different amphibians, reptiles, and mammals. And this is a brief list given in the Hindu newspaper actually 1 year back. A total of 65 tree species and 72 species of shrubs, herbs combined have been recorded in this swamp. So you have got actually the factual information related to that. It is estimated that the wetland contain 23 percentage of butterflies, 11 percentage of spiders, 84 percentage of fishes, more than 50 percentage of amphibians, more than 20 percentage of reptiles, 26.6 percentage of birds, 6.6 percentage of mammals in whole of Kerala region. Okay, so of the animals recorded from the swamp, 16.3 percentage endemic to the Western Ghats, 24.2 percentage vertebrates are listed in red list. So red list, if it is listed, we know that it is moving from a vulnerable situation to very endangered situation. So it needs to be protected. Why? Because we know that this myristica swamp are being encroached by the people from the outside for search of land, for search of different activities, mining activities. So think about that particular myristica species importance in that ecosystem. So you might have studied in the environment about the keystone species, yes or no? So keystone species is something that it may be in number only one species. Okay, so what we think, okay, one species, if one species just disappear from the disappear from the environment, what maximum can occur? Yes or no? But keystone species are something, if that is disappeared, there will be a cascading effect. There will be a cascading effect. That means that is not the only species affected. A number of unknown or unexpected will be also affected by these keystone species. So Myristica swamp is a kind of keystone species because to that environment, to that ecosystem, it is providing innumerable number of services, and that services cannot be replaced easily by any other species. So myristica swamps are very important in Western Ghats ecosystem. So these 6 states, that is Western Ghats, are continuing in those states and all, mainly to towards the southern states. You can see the you can see the swamp in the Western Ghats ecosystem. Okay, have you understood? So explain the importance of myristica swamp in Western Ghats ecosystem in your own word. So watershed word should be there, very endemic species word should be there, it is a keystone species word should be there, and how it is able to balance flood and drought situation in that particular region. So you have to detail that also. Okay, fine. Thank you.